Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So in this video, I would like to talk to you about the high dollar, which is a cryptocurrency that I really believe in, and something is happening there. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so let me just remind you what is the high dollar. It's a cryptocurrency in decentralized finance that has been created by some people from Hong Kong. I know some of them personally. It's a big project. I really do believe in this long-term project. I started to talk about this cryptocurrency when it was trading around 30 cents. It is right now at 90 cents. And the reason why I'm talking about it right now is because I have a feeling that it's gonna go maybe to 2 quickly. The reason behind is, first, when you have a look at the chart, so you can go on coin market cap, you can find the high dollar just here in the search bar. And when you go here, guys, and you check the chart, you can see we have a breakout that happened a few days ago after a strong dip. So like I said, I know some people working there, and I have a feeling that this move is gonna keep going higher. So how can you get high dollars? The best way to get it is for free, just by clicking on the link in the description of this video. You can subscribe and just receive a free high dollar every day by claiming it through WhatsApp or Telegram. This is what I've personally been doing, and it's a referral system. So thanks to you guys, I reached quite a decent amount of high dollars. Right now, the reason why I'm telling you this, guys, is because something is happening right now. So if you want to get in, there are many ways. So I'm going to show you what is the best way to trade high dollar first, and then I'm going to explain why I personally believe in this project. So the first way, you go on high.com, you just click on go to PancakeSwap. You can trade it on Uniswap, but the spread is big. You can see on coin market cap, but I don't remember where it is. Yes, you can see that 98% of the volume is trading on PancakeSwap. So this is the place you want to be trading this token. I have checked, the bid offer spread is around 5%. So if you buy now and you unwind at, for example, 2, you're just going to lose basically 5%, 7% in the bid offer spread. So it's pretty tight for this kind of cryptocurrency that is not listed yet. This is one of the reasons it might go much higher, because it's not listed on any exchange at the moment. So once again, you click on go to PancakeSwap, then you need to connect your MetaMask wallet, guys, and you need to find the high dollar here. So if you don't find it, by just typing high dollar here, you can copy paste the key from coin market cap. So this key, you just copy paste this key, you bring it here, and then you're gonna find the high dollar on PancakeSwap. So this is one way to do it, and you can buy and sell. But once again, there is a fee that is around 7% in the transaction. So this is more, I would say, maybe to keep for the longer term. And I personally do believe in the long term of this token, because once again, I know people who are doing this, and I know what they're targeting. They're targeting, you know, a real growth. And they have some expectations coming in, you know, 1 year, 2 years. They want to get connected with banks. They really want people to use their networks. They want to make the coins available to pay in the restaurants, in some hotels, some other activities, whatever. So I think it's a nice project. And my friend just sent me, you know, the reasons why he personally do believe in this project. So my friend is now as a director of the marketing strategy there. And I also know a guy that is involved in the management. So they gave me some information that is that I can tell you guys. They told me that it's okay to tell. So the first information is that it's going to get listed maybe soon on some big exchange. So of course, this can have a major impact on the price action. There is also, as we can see here, guys, the number of users is just growing very quickly. We have right now 1.6 million users. It's been a few months only that this token has been created. So it's going quite fast. It's actually very fast. So the more users, the more value the token will have. And yeah, there is one more news. He told me that there are going to be some significant announcements relating to the HIGH protocol, as well as launching a gaming platform to support GameFi and marketplace for its large membership base. All right, so those are the 3 information that I'm giving you that are public information, but once again, I get them maybe a bit earlier. It's not listed yet, and it might be listed soon. they're gonna get into the gaming industry as well using their tokens, and it's a very long-term project. So for all those reasons, I do believe that this and technically we have here, like I showed you guys, some kind of a breakout around here. I don't have a tool here to make the trend line, but if I would, you can see that here we have a breakout around 0.75, and since then we are going higher. So I think the momentum will keep happening here. So once again, if you are not involved in this cryptocurrency yet, I think it's a very good long-term investment. Personally, I am involved. And if you want, you can also get it at a cheaper price. You can get it at a discounted price, but you need to keep it on the website. So to do that, you just go on high.com and you click on high dollars here. Okay, buy high dollars. All right, so whenever you do that, it's gonna ask you to get connected. So I'm personally connected right now, so I'm gonna enable this later. And you can see I have right now, so 10,000 equivalent USD. So it's not big, but it's, you know, it's a decent position. And you can get the high dollars. So you click here, buy high, and you see I can have a discounted price. I can get it for 35 cents if I want right now, but I need to stake it for 4 years. And I also can have it at 60 cents if I only stake it for 1 year. So this is something that I personally think is a good investment. I will, of course, try to get advantage of this better prices. And once again, guys, I would like to share this with you because I personally do believe in this project and I think it's a nice one. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget, guys, to click on the sub, like, and bell button, so you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. I'll see you guys.